My name's Matt Giordano. I'm on the sales team. I was, really excited to come out here with best friends. I've grown up with pets. I'm particularly a dog guy. We have a pretty full household of pets right now. Not looking to adopt anything while I'm out here this week, but you never know. So today we're just cleaning up some of the weeds here on some of the dog trails.
Did you get one in the old finger yet?
I have. Feels great. All right, we've got an authentic wood back scratcher here. We're gonna go say hello. Working on cleaning up cat statues here. I'm not really the most artistic person in the world, so trial and error. So I think this is a great cause and a great partnership that we've started. The property itself is beautiful. I didn't realize how large they were, and they've got partnerships really all the way across the country. I'm really happy that I was able to be part of it. It's always nice to give back.
Hey, you know what? You could sign up to be another Angels Rest caretaker at no time, sir.
Slow motion high five.